Hey guys, this is the Review Family, and today I'm gonna make a quick video talking about this bottle warmer from Bellababy. We love this thing. We've been using this for a while. We bought this bottle warmer when our baby was 4 months old, and now she's 10 months old. There is though one thing we don't really like about this bottle warmer, and I'm gonna talk about it in the end of this video. So one of the things we really like about this bottle warmer is that it keeps the water warm 24/7. You can also easily adjust the temperature using the touch screen right here. It works with all kinds of bottles. As you can see right here, we have a Dr. Brown's and also a Kamotomo. Another feature that I really like, they have a night light, so you can easily see during the night if you need to make a bottle for your baby. The thing is super easy to detach, to clean, and it fits perfectly on our fridge for the water. And the one thing I don't like about this bottle warmer is that it's a little too hard to turn it off. I'm gonna show you right now. You can't just press it and turn it off. You can see that the heat goes up every time you press off. You have to press and hold until it shuts off. But overall, we think this bottle warmer is great and we haven't had any problems with it so far.